summing all the numbers in a range. So let's say we are having something like this. This is a range starting from this lower boundary 0 to the upper boundary 5. So we are summing numbers between numbers starting from 0 to 5. That's 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. So that's what we are doing. So we're using PHP sandbox. Summing all the numbers in a given range. So if you are given something like this, you are given 1 to 6. So you are given a range of what? 1 to 6. So what's the sum? Output should be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus. You get the idea? So how do we achieve that? Using PHP algorithm. So let's say function sum. Let's call it sum for which you take an array. It takes in an array. This is an array. So we need to get the first value of the array. First value of the array is 0. So you can say minimum. So first value of the array at position 0 is the minimum, while the maximum will be array 1. In PHP, these are return and output. Return something in PHP. Let's try and return main. Let's just see. Echo sum all. Taking an array of 1 and 6. So if we do something like this, let's try and run it. We are waiting for it gives us 1, which is the minimum. This is correct. The maximum is this. However, it's possible that we have something like this. Six, 1. Obviously, it should be. You can see minimum is now 6, which is wrong. Minimum is now 6. The minimum is now 6. Maximum would be, let's say, 10. So we still output 6 as minimum, 10 as maximum. So our objective now is to sum from 1 to 6. So how do we achieve that? First of all, in PHP, there is a math function in PHP called main, which takes in an array. It takes in list of numbers, main. You can see if you pass in 2 numbers, but you compare the 2 numbers and select the minimum out of it. Or it can be more than 2 numbers, you can have 3, 4, 5. It will give you the minimum average value. You also have max. So that's what we'll be using. So we have an array of 0 max. So if you output mean in 6 now, This should be 6. See? 6. Max 10. You can see. So this is the meat. So this our PHP function is the one picking the minimum and the maximum value. However, this is not what we want to achieve. Our objective is to sum this minimum and maximum. So we start from the minimum to the maximum. For us to achieve that, we need to look through the number given. That's 6 and 10. So we are starting from 6 and 10. So how do we look through? I need to look through a given value in PHP. We use for loop. So we are starting from minimum, not for the minimum. And the condition is y I is less than or equal to maximum. So this is like an incremental. So we want to return an output. So let's say this is an output. Let's give it 0. So this is how you look here. We are starting from minimum, which is 6 in this place. And we are giving the condition that y 6 is less than or equal to 10, which is to keep increasing until it reach 10. So we are saying our output should be equal to I. So what this means is to start from 6. When I is 6, then when I is 7, then when I is 8, then when I is 9. So it will be appending, when you use appending, to be adding with a sum operator, sum append. It is sum is a short form of saying output. Instead of using output equals output plus I. So these two are the same thing. These two are the same thing. So instead of using that, we use the short form. So they are the same thing. So if you refresh, what do we get? We get 40. You see? You see? So with sum 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. That's how we get that. You can see? So that's about summing. You can try this too. What do we get? Get 21. You can see? So that's how you use it. Hopefully you enjoy this section. You learn something. See you next time. Thank you.